Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Carfix, and today we're working on 2001 Nissan Altima 2.4. We have no start condition. We check for fuel, we find there's fuel. We check for spark, we find there's a spark. But the spark was weak. It was kind of orangish color, not blue, crisp. You can tell when you test it with the test light or whatever. Basically, I pulled one of those plugs out, one of those wires, and I had somebody crank the engine. I was testing. I could see spark, but it's very weak, and it was orange. It wasn't a crispy, kind of like bluish color. So we replaced the distributor, and now the car fired up right away. Good, and I'll show you what's the problem with the old distributor. Just to show you how to do it really quick, there's two bolts on the bottom. Okay, there's one right here, 10 mil. There's one on top, right there. Right, let me see. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. That one, right? No, that's not the one. Yep, that's it, right there, where my finger is. Okay, that right there. So you can adjust it up and down. You know, it doesn't matter. You don't have to have any special adjustment. You don't have to set the top dead cylinder to the number one cylinder to install this. There's a groove in there. I'll show you what it is. These are grooves, guys. You just have to see where is it at right here. That thing right there. I'll show you with my finger. This is the old one. It's like a couple of years old. So as soon as you see this on the inside, you just have to line it up. Once you line it up, and then you twist it back to the position where the harness is, and then you put the bolts back, and you snug the bolts. Now, just remember this harness. It's really weird because you press the tab, it does nothing. So you have to press and pull it. It goes up. This tab goes up, and then it comes off. See, you have an arrow on it, so you kind of push it up and then release the harness. So that's basically what's going on. And then once we put the new one in, spark is strong and it's fired up nicely. No issue. Tied those two bolts, and you don't have to do any adjustment or anything. Just you make sure that the position it. You know, you can twist it either way. Just position it to where this harness line up and that harness line up, and you're good to go from there. Thank you for watching my video. Please, I need your support. I need your support to subscribe to my channel. I try to make things really quick and easy for everybody, and give you the best I have for a quick time. That way you don't waste the time, an hour watching a video how to install something. This is really quick and easy, and just line up those end of it on the back, and then you should be good to go. You know, when you look inside on the cam, you'll see wherever the alignment of this groove. Just stick it in there, shove it in. You might have to push it a little bit, okay? Put a little bit of lube on the seal and push it in, and you should be good to go from there. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, please.